Hello you lot, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something a little bit posh. I'm going to make herb-crusted rack of lamb with a side of leek and potato gratin. How posh is that? You don't often see the rack of lamb itself in, well, certainly not in your supermarket. Maybe your local butcher can get you one if you order, but not the kind of thing you have every day for your tea. Anyway, if you enjoy this video, please share it, give it a like, etc. Oh, become a patron, things like that. So I've got a lot of shout outs to do, but I'll put them at the end just to increase tension, okay? Right, here we go. Rack of lamb, or in the early days of computing, lack of RAM. Alright, I'm going to start by making the leek and potato gratin because it takes longer. So I've got a big leek, I've got 3 medium potatoes, 250ml of milk, 250ml of double cream, heavy cream, a teaspoon of minced garlic, and, well, I don't know, half teaspoon of oregano, and salt and pepper, pinch of. So this here leek weighs, currently, before I've trimmed it, weighs 300 grams, and these potatoes weigh about 500. So that's kind of the proportion you want. You want more spuds than leek. Alright. Okay, choppy. I'll just whack the end off and the outer layer and the rooty end. Slice it. It's about 3mm. I'll just cut the eyes and the grotty bits off the potatoes. I'm not going to peel them entirely because I'm feeling a bit lazy today, but we'll give them a rinse when I've done them. Now we need to slice the potatoes evenly, so I'm going to use the and the guard. Okay, all done. Got all my fingers. So actually the dangerous bit is washing it. So I'll do that now. I'll wash it, dry it, put it away, and stop having to worry about it. Alright? Now we want to preheat your oven to 160 Celsius for a fan oven, convection oven. That's 180 for a normal one, and that's gas 4. Right, we need to saute the leeks, so over to the hob. Heat up equal quantities of oil and butter in a medium-sized frying pan, and pop the leeks in and just stir them around for 4 or 5 minutes. Try not to brown them too much. If you're using kind of garlic granules or anything dried, don't do this step, just skip it. Now I'll just take these off heat and pop them in a bowl. And we want them to cool down quite a bit. Just butter your oven-proof dish and just start to layer up your potatoes. We'll do the bottom layer now. So a bit of overlap, bit of space, air space underneath. Now I'll just take these off heat and pop them in a bowl. And we want them to cool down quite a bit. A bit of salt and pepper on the potatoes. And we want to mix the milk and the cream. I think this is a 300ml tub, so not all of that. And the oregano. And mixy. And then we'll just pour about a half of it in there and spread out the leeks over the potatoes. And then another layer of spuds. More leaky liquid. In fact, you want to get pretty much all of the leeks out at this point. And then add the remaining potatoes. Okay, there we go. The rest of the liquid. And now the thing I was saving so that you could slag me off for lack of preparedness. Cheese. So any kind of good, melty, tasty cheese. This is mature cheddar. Now I'm going to pop the lid on for about the first 20 minutes, and that goes in the oven for 40 minutes until the potatoes are tender, so, 40 minutes-ish. Okay, for the rack of lamb, I've got a rack of lamb. That's about 450 grams, which is plenty for 2 people. Then for the herb coating, 25 grams of white breadcrumbs, 25 grams of Parmesan cheese or grana padano, a good handful of herby things. I've got flat leaf parsley, I've got rosemary. You could use thyme, sage, whatever you feel like, basically. The zest of half a lemon and probably a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Also some extra virgin olive oil. Now I need to sear the lamb, so I've got a frying pan, a good glug of extra virgin olive oil in it, and make that pretty hot. Put the extractor on and brown the rack on all sides. This, by the way, has been trimmed, French trimmed they call that, where all the gubbins between the bones is removed. So we need to prep the herbs. I've just got the parsley. The parsley just needs chopping and keep the stems on, but the rosemary, the stems are a bit woody, so we need to get rid of those. Just pull the leaves off. Now I think my blender's broken, so I'll use the analog blender. So you want your herbs, your breadcrumbs, your cheese, and your lemon zest, and a bit of oil, and smoosh those together into a paste. Right, time to finish off our rack of lamb. So spread the fat side with mustard. Be careful not to dip your knife into the mustard again. And now pack on or press on the Herb-Crust. I based this on a recipe that used 2 racks of lamb, and so I halved the quantities for the Herb-Crust, and I've still got twice as much as I can use. Right, that needs to go in the oven at 180 Celsius for a fan oven. That's 200 for a conventional one, which is gas 6. Can't do it just yet because I've still got my leek and potato gratin, but 2 seconds to go. Shut up! Result! Actually, I don't know if it's result yet. I need to test the spuds for doneness. Are they echoes like, as we say in Yorkshire? Right, that's good. So I'll whack the temperature up. I'll put those back in while this cooks as well. This needs 25 minutes to be pink, okay? You might give it 5 minutes less or more depending on your preferences. Okay, going in for 25 minutes. Ooh. Oh yeah, well that looks pretty fab, I think. So I'll just pop it onto this warmed plate, bowl type thing, cover it in foil, and let that rest for, what, 10-15 minutes till we're ready for it. Okay, thank yous and shout outs. One to Cheryl from What's for Tea up there in Scotland, who's just become a patron. Yeah. And also to Stuart Ferguson, who's become another patron, and to James McNaught, who's also become a patron, and wants a shout out for his fiancée Lucy Marshall, whose birthday is on the 11th of November. Oh, I've got my poppy on. Sorry. No, it's tastes like weird. This is Giggling Hysterically. Hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
Right,
I know what that is. What's that?
Flintstones. Vegetables.
No, but what did you say it was?
Leek and potato gratin.
I do like my veggie, but I'm saving that. Yeah. Oh, and you've done stuffing. Oh, right, because that's fallen off, hasn't it? That's its jacket.
Yeah, it's not. It's the opposite of stuffing. It's exo stuffing.
Croûte? No. What do you call it then?
crust.
Ah.
You call it crude because you're half French.
Quarter.
Quarter French. Which quarter is French?
Oh, you won't like it.
Oh, really? Just doing it again.
Sorry guys, I've just got to go.
It's no wonder I'm so skinny.
Yeah. I wouldn't really do that to you. That is fabulous.
Whoa!
God, yeah.
Result. Well, I'll tell you what's not fabulous. The spuds in the leek potato, what's name, nowhere near cooked, so they've been microwaved for some time. So if you're doing that, parboil them for 5 minutes before using them. All right? Yes. That's useful tip from your Uncle Keith. Come on, get out of the way.
You're talking to people.
I'm
No, I don't want to. I don't want you to be distracted.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for making me cook this.
And see you next time.
See you next time. Henpecked you are. My poor little husband.